Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin or your crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. First of all, open your crypto.com application and click on the account on the bottom left corner. This page will open. From here, you have to select the crypto wallet, which is the top option. Click on crypto wallet. A new page will open once again. From here, you have to select your coin. For example, if you want to send Ethereum to your Robinhood, then you have to select Ethereum. Now you will see three different options: buy Ethereum, sell Ethereum, and transfer. We have to click on transfer. Now we have two different options: deposit and withdraw. You have to select withdraw. This pop-up will appear. You have to select external wallet. Click on it. From here you have to select the button called add wallet address to withdraw. Click on it. Now you have to make sure that the network you have to select is Ethereum ERC20. Now it is asking us for the Ethereum wallet address, from where we will get the Ethereum wallet address. So we have to open the Robinhood application. Once the Robinhood app has been opened, you have to click on the search icon on the bottom center of your screen. This page will open. From here you have to select your crypto, which is in our case is Ethereum. Click on Ethereum. Now Ethereum page will open. From here you will see a receive button on this page. You have to click on receive. A new page will open where it will show you a QR code and also a wallet address. All you have to do is copy that wallet address, which I cannot show you for the security purpose. Once you have copied the address, you have to go back to your crypto.com application. Here you have to paste the Ethereum address which you have just copied from the Robinhood application. Once you paste it, you have to click on continue. You can also give the name of the wallet. For example, you can name it as Robinhood wallet, and after that click on continue, and then your cryptocurrency will be successfully transferred from crypto.com to Robinhood. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.